Be nice to the puppy. Let's go play. You want to go play? Come on, let's go play. I'm right here. Where are you going? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Do you think you're invisible? You can go right through those? Come on. Let's go play. No, sir. No, that's blocked. No.
No.
Nope. Is your first word no? Ready? Come on. It's this way. We're gonna go play. No, 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 no. Joseph, come play with Mama. Look, I've got a truck, and I've got the dog. That's so much fun stuff. Poor dog. Come on, monkey. Why didn't you put the coin in here? Put the coin in here? That's a coin. Where's the coin go? Where's the coin? Does it go in here? Does it go in here? Open. It does go in there, but does it go in here too? Oh, look at you saving money. Oh, you are related to your uncle. No, you're like Mommy? You just like to break it open and look at it? Open, closed. Open, closed. What color is it? Is that green? Where does this go? Does this go in here? Thank you. I think I need some claps for that. It's pretty impressive. You almost got it again. Ready? How does it go? It goes like this. You want to open it? You're almost there. Try this hand. Oh, well. Okay.